Hi, thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing some hiking in the Willamette National Forest. My channel is all about hiking, backpacking, camping. If that sort of thing interests you, I encourage you please subscribe and hit the notification button so you get told about my new videos when they're posted. It'll really help my channel if you give me comments, give me a like, help me build my channel please. So I'm starting the first in a series today. I picked up this booklet here, and it is the trail guide of the Sweet Home Ranger District. There's 33 trails in here, all within the Sweet Home District of the Willamette National Forest. So I am going to embark on hiking all 33 of these trails. So today I'm starting with a short one. There is the Walton Ranch Interpretive Trail. And then I'm going to take the Trout Creek Trail, which hooks up to the Rooster Rock Trail. So I figured that I'm going to knock out 3 of them there. So please join me, all right, and let's go hiking. All right, so here is the viewing platform for the Walton Ranch Overlook. And there it is. Beautiful little valley setting. There is a barn over there, but you can't see it because of the trees. It's an old stop on the Santiam Wagon Road. So it's a real short little hike up to the viewing platform, about 1/4 of a mile. And it's wheelchair accessible. Now there's the barn. Had to zoom way in to get that one. This is Trout Creek as it comes down and empties into the South Santiam River. Starting out on the Trout Creek Trail. It's been a long, gradual climb. First half mile, I came up 300 feet. About a mile into the trail, have run into rhododendrons and a lot more vine maple. Flora is starting to change a little bit as we gain altitude. There it is. That's the first blossom of the rhododendron that I've seen. That, I believe, is a calypso orchid. All right, I'm at 2,700 feet 2.6 miles into the trail. Okay, we're just shy of the 3-mile mark, right about 3,000 square feet, and we finally run into the intersection of the Rooster Rock Trail. So on we go. Okay, finally getting a glimpse of Rooster Rock here. There are a couple of climbers on it too. I'll be up there in no time now. Tell you what, this path just keeps going up and up and up and up. Every time I think it's leveling out, it starts climbing again. Crying out loud. Look, I found a trillium. Okay, onward and upward. You don't get a really good shot of Rooster Rock through the trees on this trail. There it is. It's real popular with the mountain climbers. Or the rock climbers, I guess I should say. All right, the payoff. 2.5 hours later, I'm at 3,500 feet. Come 3.5 miles. All right, back at the truck. Made it down the hill without getting rained on. It did sprinkle just a hair, but nothing radical, and then it stopped. So just under 7 miles total. Total elevation gain and loss of right about 2,500 feet. So a real good day out. And again, if you enjoy this content, please subscribe and leave me a comment. You know, give me a like. It really helps. Anyway, until next time, keep trekking. Happy trails.